Alright guys, we've got Grail Punt number 164, which is the slider for Immortal Hulk number 1. Let me go down here. So we've got 6:53, and the current time in Perth, WA, 6:53 on the 27th of May, 2020. We've got our list of 92 spots, starting at number 1 with Donald, down to number 92 with Ben. We've got Donald at spot number 1, go down to number 2, and there's Ben at 92. Let's do a 3 dice roll. And we've got 10. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So good luck everyone, let's get this going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've had randomized this list 9 times, so final roll. Good luck everyone, and winner contact me when they've seen this. Alright, so we've done the list 10 times. Let's see who we've got. Who will I be sending this book out to? Stephen Reynolds. Congrats, mate. I think that's a couple in a row from me now. Let me finish this off. And the time is 6:55. The local time is 6:55 on the 27th of May 2020. Thanks, guys.